What's up? How y'all doing? Turn it down. Oh, just turn it down there. How y'all doing? TK Profit from Profit Takers. About to jump into another charting session. Let me fix this up for you. First things first, let's take a look at the pairs that we already got in. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Make sure I get logged in. Tayon, what up? Let me pause this. All right, cool. So let's go live. Now this week, we got in a couple trade setups that we actually let run over the weekend. So I came back with a decent amount of profit. Let's see, Euro JPY. So this area here on Euro JPY. Let me see, where is V? I don't see V in here. We got to follow. All right, cool. How y'all doing, team? So we took a limit order right here. For the guys that aren't familiar with limit orders, a limit order is an order that you place in the market before price gets to it. Let me give you an example. So some people, they think when you trade, you have to just sit around and stare at the damn charts all day, and that's a myth. There are a lot of myths going on about trading, the amount of time that it takes to put in, or the amount of effort that you have to put in. Okay? Now, as far as the effort, everybody is different, but if you have a proper system, an hour a day or 2 hours a day is all you need to develop consistency and to master your skill set. Now, as far as placing the trades, after you spend that time honing your skills and you want to get into trades, you can actually enter trades that will execute without you being present. And that's why making profits without being present is one of our things. That's why we got it on our shirts as well. Because back to this example, I set an alert or an order, and an order is just simply a trade. All right, so I set a trade to activate as soon as price hit this level. Okay. Price came, touched this level, activated the trade without me even being here. So I come back and we got profit. I'm in profit on this trade and a couple other trades. So just from doing my homework before we got to the market, I'm up about $1,000. So we're in profit on this trade setup. We're in profit on this trade setup. Same thing. I set a limit order right here. What else are we in? AUDJPY. Same thing. I set a limit order, and all of these trades activated on their own. Now, as far as understanding how or when to place these orders, we have our free course. Okay. Our free course is available on our site, ProfitTakersEU.com. If you go to the courses tab, it'll lead you to the free courses. You just fill out the information to get started up, and this free course guides you through setting up your demo account. That way, you can practice using a paper trading account to get comfortable. And it also shows you how to set up your live account. So after you get to the stage in your journey where you feel more comfortable, you can come in these sessions and make money with us. Because I'm not only looking at the market, I'm actually calling live trades and I'm taking them myself. So definitely take advantage of that. It's not too many times you'll get an opportunity to do something like that. A lot of people say, "Hey, I'm gonna teach you how to trade." They get your money and they dip on your ass. I'm here to not only show you what to do, but show you how to apply it as well. So, big time opportunity that will not be here for long. So, you guys take advantage of it while you have the chance. Hold on, where's V? All right, cool. So, since we got these setups that are winning already, what else were we in? AUD, CAD? Oh, that one did pretty nice. Okay. So all of our trades are doing well. This thing right here, I'm waiting on it to drop some more. And once it breaks beneath that level, we'll have a nice little drop in price that'll get us exactly where we need to be. So with the news, y'all give me a second. Let me pull the news up to see what we got. D, I see you in the chat. You looked at the news. Infinite wins. Let's go. Not right now, YouTube. Okay. Let's see. So when we trade, I like to look at this thing called the economic calendar. Okay. It just shows us when news will drop for each currency. Every currency they have news almost every week. And depending on how important the news is will determine the impact it'll have on price movement. Now, some people say or think that the news pretty much weighs on the outcome. From my experience, it doesn't at all. This is man manipulated, right? So they use these news events to create the moves that they want. And the charts show you exactly what's going to happen before it happens. The news just works like, how can I say it, like an accelerator for price. Okay, so really no major news, so we'll just take a look at the things that we are already in. Right now, let's just set an alert here because this is important. If these lows are broken, then we got action. Let's go back to that AUD. Yeah, we just need to set some alerts and then we'll go find something new. Set an alert above this high here. Right here beneath that low. Jamarcus, what up? AUD USD, same thing. Now, when you trade, after you get your skills down pat, using these alerts, man, it's a big time tool to help you win. Win, 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 win. Because one thing you can't do is be everywhere at once. So once you learn how to set these alerts at the key levels in the market, as soon as they're triggered, you can head over there to see how you need to move or capitalize after those areas are hit. Okay. If this happens, I am going to add another position to this buy on AUD USD. Now here, this is the tricky one right here. CAD JPY, the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. I want to see how this thing is going to play out. On the 4-hour, shows we got a possible pullback here. And what was that? What time frame was that? Yeah, the 30-minute I was looking to see how price would respond if it retested this area here. V, which trades are you still in? Type it in the chat. Let me know which trades you still in, V. Oh, EuroCAD. How about now? How's the volume now? I just turned it up a little more. Let me know if it's coming through a little clearer for you. Okay, Euro, JPY, AUD, USD. Okay, you got everything. How about that? Okay, cool. All right. I appreciate that heads up. So we were actually in this thing. The market goes into a phase where price starts to trade sideways. I know you're new to trading, so I'll go ahead and break this down for you, brother. V, we got a good brother in here, so let me take a little second and show him the difference in the market phases. All right, so these are the three different market phases. This is all you'll see as far as price action, which is just movement within the market. So you'll have an example like this where the market will be in what they call an uptrend. We'll have where the market is moving sideways or trendless. They call this consolidation or range. Then you have this example where the market is moving in what they refer to as a downtrend. Okay? So no matter how much people add to their system as far as these indicators or these other different techniques, this is the base of everything. And if you can get this, then you're in a position to make money. It's really simple. After this, it's pretty much just repetition. So that's why I say, really, trading is simple, man. A forklift driver's got more damn rules than we actually have. It's a learning curve as far as being familiar with the platform and getting familiar with the verbiage and the candlesticks. But outside of that, once you go through that, everything else is repetition. You're just doing the same thing over and over again. Right, don't complicate how to boil water. Facts. This shit is so simple. Matter of fact, the other day, V was like, oh, this is getting easy. Now, something that can happen is fatigue. Like if you're overdoing it, you'll start having that desert effect. You start seeing a mirage and shit. Like, oh, this is sale. Just start clicking buttons and shit. But as long as you take care of yourself, right? Making sure you get the proper rest and all of that good stuff, then you should definitely be in a better position to deal with that type of situation. V, I think this thing is going to drop. Let's see. Let's see if we can get back in AUD. I'm sorry, EuroCAD. I think the best time to do this maybe during the London session, because you know how we play. This would have been our entry. It's not too far away, but it is nothing wrong with getting a little extra confirmation on this trade setup. So I want you to do this as well, V. I want you to set an alert on Euro CAD. We're going to set an alert underneath this area here. Uh-oh. And we're going to set one above. Man, what is that? Okay. And let's just leave that alone. Now let's go check out these indices. Oh man, last week I caught a beautiful buy. And I did not expect this thing to continue to shoot up like that. But this buy that I won on was actually, I caught the sell and the buy. Crazy moves. So the way the risk reward ratio works, okay? It just lets you know how much you stand to gain versus lose, okay? Now this one says risk ratio or risk reward ratio 6.69. This means for your risk, let's say it's just 1. This means it's 1 to 6.69. So if you put up $10, you'll make $60.69. Make it simple like that. This one, on the other hand, is 1 to 17.86. You put up $10, you'd have got $170.86. So this pretty much breaks down that aspect of trading for you. And to catch a 1 to 6, almost 1 to 7, followed by this setup right here, you won't see it too often. Now, something said, hey, hold that last position. I didn't think that was going to happen. If I would have let that run, oh man, 1 to 42. But we'll worry about spilled milk. We got a beautiful setup right there, so let's just stay focused. This move, okay, this is the S&P 500. This is really important because they use this to pretty much identify the state of the economy. Now, it created all-time highs, okay? Now, you guys are smart people. I'm saying this every week until everybody starts spreading this word. They say the stock market goes up when the economy is doing good. What is going on in the economy at this moment that is so good to make the stock market make all-time highs? Absolutely nothing. Real estate is in trouble. Most of the things that would cause a recession are already underway. And you got this thing making all-time highs. Me personally, I believe they are setting people up. This is what they would refer to as a pump and dump. Let me get everybody interested in the market. And what they're going to do is wait until people start buying it, and they are going to sell all of their positions. Yeah. They are going to sell all of their positions because I figured this out. In order for somebody to win in the market, somebody has to lose. So it's like this. The people that don't know, you give charitable donations to the people that do. I'm sorry, it's not supposed to be funny, but shit, that's just what it is, you know? So if you want to remove yourself from that don't know side, then educate yourself. There's too much stuff out here. I give up a lot of free game, but I'm not the only source, of course. But there are a lot of different sources to help you understand this game, to put you in a position where you can take advantage of this stuff. Because this is what's going to happen. There's about to be a wealth transfer, and I believe this will be the biggest wealth transfer in history. This system is already underway of going cashless. Most people don't have cash at hand. They have debit cards. And something that they're about to use to take over everything is these crypto coins. That's nothing to be afraid of, but if you don't know how to transfer your money, or if your currency is in the wrong currency when the transfer happens, it's a big chance that you'll lose a lot of value as far as the currency that you have. So it's really important to educate yourself, and soon, not when it happens. You need to be in position now. But enough of that. It's not a spooky story, not nothing to be afraid of. It's just something to be aware of. What you don't want to do is be the last person to find out. You're going to have some problems on your hand. So from here, I believe this is a false breakout. I want to see if price will pull back to test this area. V, let's see what's up here on the smaller time frame. Yeah. Oh, we got these highs up here. See if price pull back and test the highs on the 2 hour. Has this been tested? Yes. One thing I always do is I figure out the key areas just in case price goes up or down. It's something I learned from fighting. Okay? Don't always worry about what you're good at. You have to learn how to not mask or hide, but you have to learn how to make adjustments for your weaknesses. So when a currency is strong and it's moving up, it's ways for you to take advantage of that. And when it's weak and it's falling, there's also ways for you to take advantage of that. That's something that they don't teach us as well. You can get money whether it's going up or falling. So you have a lot of people, they go to the stock market and they only buy and hold. Now let me show you guys something. Let me see. What was that came out? Let's see. When Beyond Meat first dropped as an IPO. And this is why it's important to not only know how to read a chart, but to know that it's possible to take advantage of an asset that's moving down. When Beyond Meat came out, it started at $46. Then it shot up over 3 months and went all the way to $239. Now, this is the way people respond when they see price exploding like this. They call it fear of missing out. It's like, oh shit, this thing is taking off. I need to have some of it. So what you had was people buying this thing at $100+ a share. Then look at this. This thing falls to retest the area where it first started, shoots back up to $222. And now this shit is at like, what is that, $8? Can you imagine buying this shit at $150 or buying it at $200 a share? You got multiple shares, and now your shit is worth $7. That's painful. But if you know how to take advantage of the sale, that was major money for you. Catching money on the drop, that was a major move. And that's the part that we miss out on. And we give patience to a lot of things. This is definitely something that we should be more patient with as far as people, really. Take your time, learn how to work this system. And once you perfect it, man, you can make your money work for you versus going to work for money. All right. Now back to S&P 500. Now you see why it's important to learn how to take advantage of both sides. Let's see if we can take advantage of this sale. So right now, this thing dropped. What I want to see is price will start consolidating like I just showed a few moments ago. Price will continue to trade sideways. And if so, we can wait for it to pull back or come up some more to give us a better entry on this sell. That way we don't have to worry about running or rushing to jump in this trade just to be a part. I'm going to set an alert right here as well. Yeah, since that's in the middle of range, we're going to ignore that. We're going to wait on this high. I'm glad I actually did that. I'll give you another gem since we're here. When prices in range or consolidating, do your best to stay away from sales unless it's at the highs or unless price broke it and it pulled back to retest. You sell from there. Same thing on the other side. If you are looking for a buy, only buy from the lows. Or if price breaks above and retest the high, those are your areas to buy from the lows or off of on the retest. Yeah, leave it alone. Yeah, so we got this trap. We'll wait to see how this thing responds. Oh, this was a 1 hour imbalance. Yeah, V. So I tell you what, if price hits that 1 hour imbalance, what we'll do is see if we can take a buy to that sell area. You said range mean you have full range of emotions? Facts. You being nutting the hell up. Oh, it's going down. Hey, it's going up. Ah. All right. Like, what is going on? That shit is not fun. You peek down, you up $1,000. Come back in 4 hours, you got 12. So yeah. Now, let me clear something up. You can definitely make money within range. It's just a disciplines man game. If you sell at the lows, this should definitely be a target. Vice versa. If you can stay within those disciplines, then you can use it as an easy area to make money. The only thing is, it is really difficult for most people that start trading to tap into that type of discipline. When they see a trade go up, if they up $200, I'm holding it. I'm letting that thing hit 1,000. Everything is open until it hit 1,000. And with that mindset, oh God, you're gonna have a bumpy road ahead. So definitely, let's go back. Let's go back. Our other free course, structure breaking. I'm not putting this stuff together for no reason. I put it together after figuring out how tough it was to deal with yourself when you're in the market. Because just for full transparency, I grew up in the hood, west side of Atlanta, stayed across the street from Bowen Homes. I went to West Fulton Middle School. I lived in a poverty-stricken area. So to be behind a machine that could move as fast as this one and you could make money this fast, oh my God, I lost my mind. I was putting up all types of bill money, fucking everything, fucking everything up. But I was learning in the process. So you definitely have to learn how to master your mind, master your emotions, and our mindset series structure breaking definitely put me in a position to do so. Even after learning how to trade, that tool there put me in position to actually execute properly. So your mindset is a major key when it comes to trading. All right. So let's see what's going on with gold. We normally are always making some money on gold. Now, I didn't expect this, V. I didn't expect gold to just do that. Now, what it did do on the daily, this is clear. Okay. So we had a double bottom right here. A double bottom is pretty much a W. When you see those in the market, if it falls on a major level, and by major level I means an area where you have a lot of rejections. And okay, let me tell you what the hell a rejection is. Let me show you. We give y'all a little quick little study session. So if price keeps testing the same area like this, but failing to break below, they'll refer to that as a rejection. Okay. So let's say you have a lot of rejections, and at the end you see that W pattern. When you see that pattern, that's a sign that price is going to go higher. Right, she knows. So when price comes back to retest this double bottom or this W, as long as it doesn't break beneath it, what you will see is a higher high being created. So that's what we're looking for as far as this particular movement right here. So let me point it out again. There's the double bottom there. And with these bars that you're seeing, they're candlesticks, okay? So blue is price moving up, red is price moving down, okay? And once you get used to spotting how price moves during the candlesticks, you'll be able to see it in this formation, even though you're looking at actual candlesticks. But V, back to you. After price created that double bottom and made this foolish move here, that is one crazy ass wick. It pulled right back to retest that right shoulder. You know what that means. So what we are going to do is see where we could find an entry for a buy to take gold, even if it's just to retest this double top right here on the 1 hour. Let's see if we got any levels higher than that. Now the double top, it's like an M, okay? So you have the double bottom. That means price is moving up as long as it's at a major level. And then at the lows, we have those double bottoms. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. The double top means price is moving down when it's at a major level. And the double bottoms means price is moving up. Let's see. Yeah, no. So that wick was serious. It created structure right here. My phone is about to die. I can watch this again later. Oh, okay. That's cool, brother. That's cool, brother. They'll definitely all still be within the group. So once you go over, really, let me give you a good place to start. A good place to start is just understanding candlesticks. And from there, you just draw candlesticks. So after you figure out, okay, the green is price moving up, or the blue in my case, just go in there and start drawing it. Wherever you see price go up, draw it. Wherever you see price going down, draw it. I say outside of that hour that I tell people to move in, use when they're learning, they should definitely do this at least 20 minutes daily. You do that, it will definitely help you, man. It'll make life really easy. Yeah, it'll be on the page. Yeah, so it'll still be available. Man, you got a whole little bro. I love this shit for real. You got a whole free session for real. All right, we love this shit. All right, cool. So with gold, I gotta see this thing break above, and it looks like it actually is. So on gold V, you see we got 10 minutes left in this candle. If it break above this 618, shit. If it break above this 618, then we'll wait until this area is retested to enter in a buy. I will not name this zone anything until this candle closes, but this is exactly what we want to see. Our price is pushing up right now. We want to see price push up and break above this blue line, which is the 618. Okay. Once that happens, excuse me, we just want to wait until it pulls back to retest this area, and then that'll be a valid setup. We choose her. Yeah, so that'll be. Uh-oh. Fire the DJ. But that'll be one of our setups that we look for. Right there. So let's wait. Right now, everything is looking good, but patience is king. Because one thing, it could start off looking like, you know, what you're looking for, and then it will take off moving in the opposite direction on you. Now, we do got some imbalance right here, but let's see. Hold on, let's see what you got, V. Yeah. So what you can actually do is wait during the session, because you look right up here on the 618. Boom, it's a double top right there. So this could be a really short term trade, right? But it still gave you almost 1 to 7. Nah, I would take that. I'm taking that. Especially since gold broke above all of the EMAs on this, showing you that momentum is definitely bullish right here. Yeah. So let's see. But yeah. Yeah, V. And if it break that level, that's a 1 to 22. Ooh. Let me go ahead. Let's see what's up with these targets. V, that's a trade right there, V. All right, 50%. Cool. Well, let's see. Yeah, I gotta take this. So these next 5 minutes, I'm sorry, these next 7 minutes, if we get price to close above the 618 like this, then I'm gonna place this limit order, letting us in that trade setup. Well, this will pretty much be it. Let me take a picture of this. I'm gonna post this into our Discord. Everything else, pretty much just need to let it run. Let's see. Damn, what just went up from us being on there? Oh, AUD, CAD is going crazy right now. Okay. Damn. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. What are our... Oh, man. Okay. So what I did was rushed and set up this trade, but I forgot to put TP1 up there. So we got TP3, we got TP2. TP1 has definitely been hit. So V, we need to close one of these positions. It is a good chance you can get some type of pullback right here in this area. But let me see where we would close that position. Well, really, TP1 was hit already. Right here, boom, TP2. Let's see. Yeah, so target hit, win.
Win, 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 win. Yeah. Curve everything else. Win, 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 win.
All right, we got a TP hit for the week. Let me go ahead and close it out. CADJPY looks like it's gonna pull back, moving to the upside on this. So go ahead and close that, V. Let's see. Really move this trade to break even as well. No losing, winning trades. You got 40 pips in profit. TP cleared. Protected. So let me do that as well. All right. Hold on a second, you guys. Let me get these trade setups protected, and I'll be right back. Take a music break. Hey. Oh. Hold on a second, you guys. Let me get these trade setups protected. Hey, man. Fire the DJ. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. Y'all be patient with me. Hey. Okay, I actually moved this to break even already. Alright, cool. So, from here, 4 minute. Oh, 4 minute for gold. Yeah, that's why you gotta wait. Look at that. That thing just dropped right back beneath the 618. Like, no, not today. JoJo, what up, God? Not today. So while we wait on gold, damn, you must have texted that a while ago. That text came through late. Wow, all TPs hit on Euro USD. Rejected here? So it rejected, then gave a double bottom on a 2 hour, 16 minutes left in that candle. Let's see. If this area holds a support, then man, we could see bullish moves from USD. I'm sorry, Euro USD all week. Let's see. Oh, and congratulations, you guys. TradingView sent me a message. They said they will be discontinuing the live streams, okay, on April the 7th. So after April the 7th, what I will do is the day that we normally get on TradingView to stream, I'll do that video or that lesson or particular charting session and live trading session inside of the Facebook group. So more opportunities for you guys to make money with the team. Yeah. Let's get back to gold. Let's set some alerts on Euro USD. Oh. What in the world? Oh, it closed right at it. Ah, that's suspect. It closed above, though. It closed above. Just right underneath the 618. Looks like that wanted to activate now, V. You might not have time to actually do a limit order on this one. So I'll tell you what. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and take it. Let's go ahead and take it. JoJo, you got that live account set up, man? Okay, cool. Did you go with Sway Market, the new thing I sent you? Or you still got the older one? What, NVFX? Oh yeah, it's hit, V. We gotta enter this trade. I can still see your responses, but let me put this trade in, you guys. Okay, cool. Okay, almost done. I'm putting the stop loss underneath this area here, V. Right here. So I'm still actually setting mine up. So this will be my entry. Oh, let me get them in. All right. Oh, damn. All right, cool. So That actually worked out fine. Gave us a better entry. Let's see. Let's set an alert. Let us know 20 pips. Now we're going to set an alert here. See if price breaks above this high. And, oh damn. And we're going to leave this thing alone. So right now we got a buy on AUDCAD. We just got into this gold buy. AUDCAD hit TP1 on us. Euro. Damn, that happened fast. I don't even know how we missed that. AUDUSD. We call this buy. Okay. Euro JPY. And what else? AUDJPY. This buy. We're in a Euro AUD sale. Oh man, this thing is looking beautiful. And what is that? Okay, USDJPY. Man, I'm glad we held those positions over the weekend and just let the market run. All right, cool. So, what's up, JoJo? You taking some trades with us this week? Oh shit! Let me know, cause we'll be getting active. At least on the demo account, you get back used to putting the trade setups in, so you can leverage them properly. Okay, we're in profit on gold, just like that. Man, come on, man. Shit don't get no better than this. All right, so this session we only had one trade that we found that was ready to take right now. We're in profit on it. The rest of our trade setups, we're letting them run. Looks like if everything play out according to plan, we'll have a $3,000 day tomorrow. So you guys, take advantage of these tools while they're available. We're going to go ahead and call it a night. Let's look over everything. We got this gold buy. Just went in profit. Just went in profit, dog. Just went in profit on it. We also got USD JPY. We got a nice, beautiful sale on it. If this closes like this in this 2 hour, I may see if we can get another entry on USD JPY. We got an AUDCAD buy that just hit TP1. AUDJPY. We took a buy on it. It's doing well. And what is it? That Euro AUD sale? I believe that's it. Oh, man. I only added 2 positions on gold. Let me get another one. I'm glad I looked. Let's see. That's too much. That's right. All right, cool. And we got gold. The targets. What you need the targets on? Gold? Gold, man. Gold is going to run if it break above this 618. These are the targets on gold. I'm about to drop them in the Discord. So you don't have to worry about getting them on here. I'm about to send them right to you. All right. Cool. So you guys, follow along with us. Once again, we got our free courses. These free courses will help you set up your demo accounts, your live accounts, and also teach you how to place and monitor your trade setups. Okay. Then for our do-it-yourselfers, we got our book that goes over the trading strategies that I've been covering in our live charting sessions and trading sessions. 6 weeks of trading with consistent results. It's available on Amazon, as well as our log books. These trading log books are for options, forex, indices, commodities, and crypto. Okay, help you not only monitor your trades, but monitor your emotions as you go through the trades. Then definitely this jewel, this gem, the 6-week journal. This is going to help you figure out where you are and what you need to work on. So when you are met with these opportunities, you don't beat yourself up with anxiety about what could and should or would have happened. You'll be in a stable position to win off of these things. Mindset series. If you have not went through our free trial for our 6-week mindset series, it's available. Check it out so you can see the concepts that we go over using this tool. All right. Support the movement. We have our merch available that can be found on the website as well. And remember, you guys, you're one trade away from living.
Okay. Let the streets know. Okay.
Why fight to stay the same?